Well, it's a rainy afternoon, so I'm in the shed. Just give you a quick overview of what's going on. So this is the James 250 James Commodore pre-65 trials bike, very pre-65, it's 1957. It's got its stickers today, so it looks the part. Inside there is the points, and weirdly enough, and I've never had it before, the points that go up and down were sticking on the shaft. So I've actually got to remove the points, clean the shaft up for the points, put it back on, not the crankshaft, the points pivot shaft, and put it back. Because if you hold your finger on the end of the points, it sparks brilliantly and reliably every time. You take your finger off and it's a bit intermittent. Genuinely bizarre, but easy enough to do. She's ready to rock and roll. I've got the V5 and it's got trials tyres on it. So if you want to do a long distance trial, have a go. This little beastie is my A100 Suzuki. I'm going to send the paperwork off for registering it today. So if you want it in your own name, contact me instantaneously, if not quicker. This lot is out because I think this little beastie is playing up. So we've got another one on order. The lights aren't working at the moment, and I think that is culprit. I think the brake light's working and the horn, but no other lights. But she's running sweet and she's getting registered. The CL, I've got a couple of little bits to do, but I've sort of put it on the back burner because I've got another cunning plan for that. And this is the FR70, which will be up for sale the minute that arrives. I have a new fuel tap setup coming. She starts and runs fine, but the diaphragm in there is not working, so when you put vacuum on it, you don't get fuel, which is it's not ideal to say the least. Everything else is happy, and as soon as that crawls in from America, we're there. This is the DR125. I have a whole loom on the floor, which needs to go on the bike. Then a couple of bits of prettifying. This is the CRF 50, Fast 50 edition, so it's actually designed for adults. That will be coming to Stickney Auto Jumble with me on Sunday. The James can come to Stickney with me. These two, if they're finished, but it's relying on parts. This little beastie, the ZD50PY, so it's a PY50 copy, and it is a semi-automatic. I've got a couple of bearings to change on that, crank bearings, but you can actually get a complete crankshaft, brand new, with the bearings and a gasket set for 120 quid, and you can also get a complete barrel and piston for 35 quid, 70cc. So it might well grow that. We'll have to have a look. Anyway, that's just some of the things we're looking at in the shed, but really we're waiting on the postman turning up. So I'm doing a bit of paperwork and a bit of faffing about today, but we'll see how the day goes.